Hi there, my name's James and today I'm going to be showing you around a 2-bedroom penthouse apartment here in New Capital Key in Greenwich. Let me show you around. Now we're into the open plan living area. This is the main room of the apartment, and as you can see we have all our kitchen appliances included in the room with access to the balconies on either side. So here we're outside in the balcony area, and as you can see it's absolutely huge. Added to that, we're right on the riverfront as well, which really does make it, a prime location. So, behind me we have the staircase leading up to bedrooms 1 and 2. Come and take a look. So here we're actually in the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but it's still a really substantial size, looking straight over that river again. So now we're into the brilliant master bedroom. As you can see, there is so much space everywhere. We've got amazing storage here with our wardrobes, and alongside that we even have our own ensuite. Thanks for joining me today on this video of the 2-bedroom penthouse apartment to rent in New Capital Key in Greenwich. If you're interested in this property or any property that's similar to this in the area of Greenwich, please do give our team a call.